UD. Before you pay for that AI tool, let's compare free versus paid options so you don't waste time or money. Free on one side, paid on the other. 1. ChatGPT free versus plus. Free ChatGPT gives you basic access to GPT 3.5. Great for simple writing, research, or brainstorming. But if you want access to GPT-4, faster responses, and file uploads, you'll need ChatGPT Plus, prompting both free and plus, comparing speed and detail. Paid wins for power users, content creators. Free is enough for casual users. 2. Canva AI, free versus pro. Canva's free AI tools let you generate images, write copy, and use templates. But the pro version unlocks magic resize, background remover, brand kit, and more AI features. Designing a social post, showing limitations in free versus full access in pro. Paid wins for designers, social media managers. Free works for students, personal use. 3. Jasper AI, paid only. Jasper is powerful for long-form content, SEO, and brand voice, but it's paid only. If you're blogging professionally or managing multiple clients, it's worth it. Long blog being created, how? Tone adjusted. Paid wins for agencies, serious creators. Free alternative, ChatGPT or WriteSonic. Limited. Start with free tools. Upgrade when your workflow demands it, not just because it's trending. Smart creators spend wisely. Free, paid, profit, graphic.